Hello Craftaholics, welcome back to my studio, and if this is your first time here, it is a pleasure to meet you. My name is Peggy and welcome to my studio. Now I know I haven't been around for a bit. I've had a heck of a time. I have been spending 2 weeks trying to get projects ready to film, and every time I'm just about done and ready, something happens. Either it rips, or they go missing, or something spills. I don't know. But it's like the universe is saying, don't do that. So I'm taking a little bit of a break. I know that the holidays are coming up rapidly. I think it's like a week from Sunday. I am going to try to get at least one project up before then, something that's easy and quick to do. But I needed to take a break from it because, frankly, it's driving me bonkers. I mean, I've had a bad year as it is, and the last couple of months have been the worst. So I apologize to all of you because you're the ones that are suffering for it. But I am going to try and make things better this coming year. Also, I have a visitor today. I have a fly. I know it's December, so if he passes by, I am sorry. He keeps trying to land on my nose. So I'm just letting you know ahead of time. But the reason that we're all here right now, this is the Craft Your Life kit from Altenew for January. And it is called Loving You. And this kit is available to order until January 3rd, or if it sells out. And I wanted to show you now so that you can purchase it if you'd like to, because I'm going to be using this next month to make some projects. And there will be a link below for this kit. And it is an affiliate link. So if you purchase through it, I will get a very small commission. But that money is what I need to purchase other items to do videos for you guys. So if you could, I would appreciate if you would use my links. Anyway, back to the task at hand, the Loving You collection. The main part every month of one of their Craft Your Life is the stamp set. And this is no exception. It's got the beautiful love and the you, and then all the sentiments. And I mean, the stamps are good size. I mean, there it is on my hand. I've actually had some of them where the stamps were bigger than my hand. It's crazy. But then you get all the sentiments that go along with the two words, like you so much, always here for you, love you infinitely, matter to me, are so special, and all the rest. Now, and I love the quality of Altenew stamps, honestly. They're brilliant. But what's neat is every stamp set comes with this little booklet. And it will show you just some information on the back about the product. But when you open it up, there's always two cutouts where you can cut these out and use them right as card fronts, which is brilliant. But on the inside, it also shows you, like with alcohol markers, what color, they're their colors. But you can, with your own, you can mix and mingle. Like with markers, what they used, or with the inks, what they used on that one. And then there are also stencils included in every, did I grab them all? I think I did. Yeah. There are also stencils included with each one. And they also give you which stamp set and with the stencils, what does what and what colors that they've used. So there's a lot of information in these, and I always keep these. I never get rid of them. I store them right with my stamp sets. So that is the first and the second item. Like I said, they're always layering stencils, and they're very, very good. I'm very new. Maybe I shouldn't admit this, but I'm new to stamping and stenciling, and I have had a lot of luck with their products. So those are the first two things, and then you also get a set of dies, and this time, okay, it's very confusing looking, but if you look at it that way, you go, what the heck is that? But it will cut out the love and the you for your card front. And there is also an embossing folder, and this one is gorgeous. And a lot of time, like a lot of times the stencils will coordinate with this. I don't believe they do this month because they're going more with the stamps, but I love their embossing folders. That's what it looks like. A good colored picture of it. So that is the Craft Your Life project kit for January. Loving you. And like I said, I will be using this in some projects next month. The link will be down below. I hope you'll purchase it and play along. If not, you can always use something that's similar. But that's all I have for you today. And again, like I said, I am going to try and get a project up, God willing. I have had nothing but bad luck in the last 2 months. So I hope you all are having a great day and are getting ready for the holidays. And I will see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.